Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure VMware vSphere for better resource management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your vSphere web client. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home menu. Select hosts and clusters from the options. Choose the cluster you wish to configure. Click on the Configure tab. Look for Resource Allocation Settings on the left sidebar. Open Resource Pools to manage resource distribution. To create a new resource pool, click on Add Resource Pool. Enter a name for your resource pool. Set the CPU and memory resource allocation. Specify the resource limits and reservations as needed. Click OK to create the resource pool. To adjust existing resource pools, select one. Click on the Edit option to modify settings. Here, you can update the resource allocation, limits, and reservations. Make sure to apply changes as required. Now, select the virtual machines you want to allocate resources to. Right-click on a selected VM and navigate to Resource Allocation. Adjust the CPU. Consider using shares to prioritize VMs based on your needs. After adjustments, confirm the settings. Next, return to the cluster settings. Enable DRS if not already done to automate load balancing. Go to the Configure tab and select VMware DRS, turn on the DRS option and set the automation level. Choosing Fully Automated can help optimize performance. Finally, monitor resource usage over time. Utilize the performance chart to identify any bottlenecks. Review your configurations periodically for optimal resource management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.